students. So today we are going to master a technique to compare the ratios rapidly. Okay, so here we would be taking the example of two ratios, that would be 7 by 12, and second would be 13 is to 21. So visibly if we look at them, they are quite near to the 50%. Okay, but which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller? So to identify that particular comparison, we need to have some techniques. For example, if basically we divide this into the decimal points, so we are going to get something like 0.5, and here also the answer would be in the same category, that is 0.5 something. That is approximate answer. So, and it is also time consuming, so this technique is wrong. You are not going to follow this technique. Okay, the technique which I am going to tell you is the new one. Again I am writing down the ratios, that is 13 by 21 and 7 by 12. You have to simply just cross multiply. Okay, multiply denominator by numerator, so you are going to get 156 here, and multiply this denominator by this numerator here, so you are going to get 147. Now it is clear that this is the biggest number. Okay, so this is the simplest technique available to compare the ratios for two digit or single digit number. Okay, to master the technique for the 3-digit and 4-digit ratio comparison, just subscribe to our channel and follow the videos. Now we will look at another example to compare the ratios. So you can see that again these ratios are quite close, but to identify the exact comparison or the exact ratio which is important, again we are going to use the same technique. So we are going to multiply 21 with 14. Here we go, and the answer would be 294. And here we multiply 27 into 11. The answer would be 297. So you can see that how close they are, 297 and 294. Okay, so this one is the biggest. So another example to show you that the close values of the ratios can be exactly identified with the method of cross multiplication.